The question that we have says an elevator weighing 500 kg is to be lifted up at a constant velocity of 0.2 meter per second. What will be the minimum horsepower of the motor to be used? Taking the acceleration due to gravity to be equal to 9.8 meter per second squared, and 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts. In this case, you are being given that mass m is equals to 500 kilogram. Then velocity v is 0.2 meter per second, while acceleration due to gravity g is 9.8 meter per second squared. So what do you do? First of all, you have to calculate power, and power P is calculated as work done, which is W, divided by time T, and work done is calculated as mgh over T, where m stands for mass, g stands for acceleration due to gravity, and h stands for height, while T stands for time. So since h stands for height, and height is talking about distance over time is velocity, so we can have mg, where h over T, which is distance over time, will be converted to v. So using the parameters that we have in the question, m, which is mass, is 500 times g, which is 9.8 times v, and v is 0.2. So in that case, we have since we have 9.8, we have 500, we have 0.2. We can move this to one decimal place, move this out from one decimal place, so we have 98 and have 2. So if we do that, we'll move this two places, so we have what? 5 times, if we move these two to balance these 2 places that we moved, 500, we'll have 98 times 2, which will be 5 times 2 will give us 10, and 10 times 98 will give us 980 watts. Then the question told us that 1 horsepower is equals to 746 watts. So which means 746 watts is equals to 1 horsepower. So 980 watts will now be equal to what? 980 watts will now be equals to what? So if in that case, if you cross multiply, you have that 980 times 1 horsepower is equals to 746, and if we calculate that, we get 1.3 horsepower, and that is the final answer. Thanks for watching.